All right, we're here on this classic 1959 330 that has something I've never seen before. On the 330 are hard to find to begin with, and this one has a factory loader on it. What model, Adi?
This is a John Deere Model 36, and the serial number for the loader itself is 2169, so that's not too bad at all.
All right, great. Well, we just haven't had time yet to clean the gas tank and carburetor. It was a barn find, but we're just going to fire it up with a few quick shots of starting fluid. Won't harm it at all, but just we just did that a few seconds ago, make sure it would start. And any other comments before we try to just do that, Adi, on what you observed so far, just getting it this far?
Really, truly, I checked manually if the engine would turn over. It was free.
Right.
It turned over freely, no problems, no issues. Usually the rings get stuck in the cylinder and it has a sticky spot. It didn't even have that. It turned over real easy. I've done some makeshift wiring with a jump pack to make the coil go hot. And I'm going to turn my jump pack on. I'm going to walk around, hit it with a few shots of starter fluid, and she's going to pop off for you.
Okay. All right. Here we go.
All right. Battery pack's on. Contact.
Okay, that's probably. All right, great.
She says give her a few and she'd be ready to go back to work.
Right, that's right. All right, and we'll show you in the pictures. It's even got a license plate for Massachusetts, and see up there a rear view mirror. It was quite a barn find. Came out of Massachusetts. Probably hasn't been out of a barn up there, and hasn't probably been ran in I don't know 5 or 15 years or something. But
well, I'd just like to say that the sticker on the tag says 1984. So it could have been parked then. Who knows? Right.
It probably was used up until maybe the late 1990s or something. We're rough guesstimate, but not really sure. Came from an estate. All right. Thank you.